Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi guys, hope you all are fine. Here's I come for my new videos. In this video I will show you some beautiful ladies bags, traveling bags for makeup kit. You can keep your daily routines, makeup, your books and your accessories, etc. Before starting the videos, I am requesting to you, please subscribe my channel, it's Technical Faruqi, or also press the bell icon. Let's start the video. This is the first bags which I select for you. This is Smarty Canvas large makeup bag, pouch, purse, cosmetic organizer for women. This is available in different colors and different designs. You can see by visiting the Amazon websites the very beautiful and very excellent and unique colors and designs. This is a view of the bag. You can see here the very fine quality, excellent quality. This is the front view and this is the side view of the bag. It's 29 centimeter long and 9.5 centimeter, 21 centimeter and 18 centimeters. This is showing the sizes of this bag. It's very beautiful and very unique. You can buy from Amazon just $12.99. Now let's go to next. This is a Bausha XS04 canvas traveling trolley bag, shaving dog case kit for women and ladies, blue. This is a different view of this bag. Very excellent, very beautiful. First compartment and this is the second compartment, main compartment. This is the main compartment and this is the first compartment. You can hang with your shoulders. And this is another view showing the belt, genuine leather puller. And these accessories you can keep on this bag. This is showing the features of the bag. This is material, canvas and leather, decorate, smooth zipper, make the zipper easy to pull, size showing, large capacity, multifunctional, trolleys, wash bag, travel storage organizer and etc. etc. You can also see on Amazon. I'm giving all the links in the descriptions which I'm showed and I'm going to show. This is another bag. This is a large makeup bag, zipper pouch, travel cosmetic organizer for women and girls, large navy blue. This is navy blue. This is black shaded. This is a dark blue type. Navy blue. This is a dark gray. Sorry. This is a black. This is a dark gray. This is a navy blue. This is a pink, purple, red, and sky blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 8 different colors available in small and large sizes. This is a view of this bag. This is a large bag and this is a small bag. Showing the capacity. You can keep your kits, makeup kits. This is an empty bag capacity showing. One large compartment with 4 small pockets keeps item organized. Wow, the wonderful. The large size and this is small size. Only just $9.9. The large size. And the small price is $8.99. Here go to another one. This is D&JSL Women's Medium Ladies Tolerate Travel Bag Hanging Trolley Bag. Travel makeup organizer and cosmetic case. Travel bag organizer, toiletry, TSA approved, black leopard print. This is a black leopard print. This is a leaf print, and this is leopard print. Basically, this is the leopard print, and this is a camo print. Available in three designs. This is a camo print, leaf print, and leopard print. These are the views of this bag. You can keep your daily routines item. This is showing the size of this bag. You can see, you can hang with your wall, keep on your table, anywhere you want. These are the some designs. Sorry for no video available. Now go for another bag. This is D&JSL medium hanging ladies tolerate travel bag, trolley bag for women, heavy duty portable travel makeup, cosmetic case, travel bag, organizer trolley, TSA approved, camo print. This is a camo print, this is a leaf print, and this is leopard print. I think I'm already showed you this bag. I think this one, no, this is a different one. Now here come for this bag. The size showing, you can hang on the wall, you can keep your daily routines thing. This is very ideal for traveling persons who they love the traveling. They can keep their daily routine things in one place. I recommend you this is a bag for daily routine. These are the some details available on Amazon. You can watch, you can see, you can read each and everything about these wonderful products. I am giving all products links in the description. You can visit easily and buy. You can buy easily. Thanks for watching my video. Till next video. Bye. Take care.